Hello students, in our first lecture we studied about the author, at the same time warming up activity. Now here we have started our lesson. So as we studied in the beginning, so there are two characters in the story. One is Anil and second one is Hari Singh. They introduce each other. Here Hari Singh was the person, he was lying all the time. First of all, he was winning the confidence of somebody, and later on he was cheating those people, and all the time you are taking different names, so that's going to help him in his life to be ahead of the police and his former employees. Now see here, we are going to start our lesson from here. After this introduction, Anil talked about well oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. So first of all, they had some discussion, and after that, Anil was talking about well-oiled wrestlers. So the wrestlers, those who were there, regarding that Anil was talking. Then see, certain words are there. I am going to provide you the meaning. Grunting. Grunting, it means what? Loud noise, or the kind of voices are created there. That. Then lifting and throwing each other about. When those kind of matches are there, so then same kind of activities like grunting, lifting and throwing, these things are happening there. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. So here Hari Singh didn't know anything more as compared to Anil, so that's why he said, I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away, and then he also followed him casually only. Definitely he must be interested to be with him, and that's why only he was just following him. Now, hello again, he said. So he said, oh, once we talk, we introduce each other. Now I think that's over. But once again, as he followed him, then he asked again, hello again, you are here. I gave him my most appealing smile. See, appealing smile, it means attractive smile. If I give him appealing smile, so then he will be attracted towards me, and then he will say, yes, you are a good person, definitely you should be with me and all, or you should become my friend. So he gave him his most appealing smile, and then he said, I want to work for you. I said, Hari Singh is saying from there, as he said hello again, then he said, yes, I want to work for you. Then, but I can't pay you. And he said this, okay, though you are interested to work for me, but sorry, I am unable to pay you, I can't pay you. Then I thought that, oh, for a minute, perhaps I had misjudged my man. Then he thought over that for some time. Generally, he doesn't commit any mistake. He finds out easily how the person is. But here, he was wrong. And that's what only he is agreed to there. So he said, I think he has misjudged that man. Initially, he thought that man must be the rich man. So I will win his confidence, and definitely, as I have that habit to cheat people, I will cheat him. In that way, he was supposed to do. Now, come to the next. I ask, can you feed me? As he said, he can't give me salary, he can't pay me, but at least can you feed me? Then now second question, can you cook? So definitely he must be thinking something, he must be expecting in return. Then he said, I can't pay you, but he said from there, yes, can you feed me? Then he said, can you cook? It means if you are ready to cook, so then definitely there is no problem to feed you. Then I can cook. I lied again. As he was lying all the time, so here also he is lying again, and he is saying there, yes, I can cook. He lied there. Then, if you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. So Anil was really good person. Then he said, if you are ready to cook, or if you know the cooking, so then maybe I'll be able to feed you. No problem over there. Then he took me to his room over the Jumna Sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. But The meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. So, in that night, when he took him to his room, then later on he asked him, okay, you can sleep here. He showed him the place of balcony. But in that night, the way he cooked the food, actually the reason behind that, he didn't know anything, and he agreed to that. He lied there, he knows the cooking. So he didn't know anything about the cooking. He cooked that night, and that food, he just indicating here how that food would have been. That food must have been terrible. It means the way he cooked, he didn't have any experience of cooking. Then he said that would have been definitely the terrible one. That's why only Anil didn't have that, and Anil has given that food to a stray dog. And then later on he said, okay, you can go from here, I don't want you anymore. He just said him, you just leave from here. But Hari Singh was not the same kind of person. But Hari Singh here, but I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. So he was just there only. He didn't go from there, and he was just smiling in his most attractive way or most appealing way. At that time, Anil was a little bit angry with him because the reason he didn't know cooking, that was another point. But the thing which he didn't like from there, he lied there. Hari Singh lied. He said, I can cook, but he was unable to do so. Then, later, he patted me on the head and said, never mind, he would teach me to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. Then later on, he patted on the Hari Singh's head, and then he said, okay, never mind, you don't worry. I'll teach you how to cook. He was very good man, very kind hearted man. So that's why he said, okay, you don't worry, I'll teach you how to cook. At the same time, he taught Anil to write his name. Then later on, he just said him again, I will teach you to how to write the sentences also and how to add numbers also. So if any person is learning this thing to write the name, then to write the sentence and to add the numbers, this is the only basic education which Anil was supposed to give to him. Then he was so much grateful to Anil. Then he knew that once he could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what he could achieve. So he was thinking, if I am able to do these all the thing as Anil is going to teach, so definitely there would not be any limit, or there will be no limit to what I could achieve. Then see the next one. I was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about a rupee a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. So, as we are explaining his routine right now, so he is expressing that thing. It was really pleasant to work for Anil. Then in the morning he was making tea for the Anil. Then later on he was taking money from Anil, and then he was buying all the things whatever required at home. But when he was going to the market, at that time he was making a profit of a rupee every day. Actually, Hari Singh also knew one thing, whatever profit he was making, Anil also knew that. But Anil was even not paying attention to that. He must be thinking something extra from that, or he must be broad minded. That's why he was not at all paying attention to 1 rupee and all. Then, see the next one. Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow one week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. Then, here Hari Singh is going to talk about Anil. So, Anil was making money by fits and starts. Fits and starts meaning is given here, a short, irregular intervals. So these kind of phrases are given there. So whatever phrases we are learning from the textbook, we should know how to use those phrases in the sentences. So then he was borrowing one week, then again whatever amount was there, he was lending that money to somebody else in the next. Then whatever work was being completed, so he was worrying about his next check also. But when he was getting it, at that time he was enjoying so much. He was going out, he was celebrating, he was enjoying that all. And then next he is going to say, Hari Singh is thinking this all. It seems he wrote for magazines. And actually, how does he consider that work? See, it seems he wrote for magazine, a queer way to make a living. Queer it means what? Strange, unusual or eccentric as we say. So he is thinking there to write for magazine, that's very strange one. That's not the common, that's not the usual one, that's very unusual way. It means to do the theft activities and all, that's a usual one. Anybody can do that. But here, to write for the magazine, that he considered as unusual or eccentric or strange. Then see. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes saying that he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him to tuck the money under the mattress. So then one evening, he came home with a small bundle of money and then he said he had sold his book to the publisher. Then at that time, Anil saw him. Hari Singh saw him when Anil was keeping that all the money under the mattress. We'll continue the next afterward.